Master, why do people in this world seem so fixated on accumulating more and more money?
Ah, Alex, that's a profound question. Money holds a unique place in society. It's not just about material wealth, but also about power and influence.
But is it worth all the effort and sacrifice people make to acquire it?
Let me offer you a different perspective, Alex. Think of money as energy. It flows through our society, driving progress and shaping our lives. Like energy, money can be harnessed and directed to create positive change.
But it seems unfair. A farmer works tirelessly in the fields all day, yet earns far less than someone with a white-collar job or a successful business.
Indeed, Alex. Money doesn't always correlate with the amount of effort or hard work put in. It's a reflection of the value we create and the opportunities we seize. While the farmer's labor is vital for sustaining life, it's the knowledge, skills, and innovation of others that often lead to greater financial rewards.
So, money is more than just a reward for hard work. It's about leveraging opportunities and creating value in the world?
Exactly, Alex. It's not about how hard you work, but how wisely you invest your time, talents, and resources. Money, like energy, flows where it's directed. It's up to us to channel it towards positive endeavors and meaningful pursuits.